Now the first thing we have to do is we have to install the AI2 companion app. So we have to take our phones, and then of course we have to look for the Play Store, Google Play Store on our mobile phones, and then we have to go and search for AI2. So look at this MIT AI2 companion app. So select and then click on install. So this will going to install. Click on accept, and then it takes a couple of while to download this app, and then we will going to install this MIT AI2 companion app. This app basically would help us to scan the QR code which is generated in our MIT App Inventor account, and then we can able to transfer this app to our mobile phone. And please make a note that this will be an Android phone, right? That will be an Android app. And you can see right now the app is installed, and I can click on open. So click on open, and you see now it asks us to scan the QR code. So I will click on a QR code, and you can see now I'm just having the scanner to scan my QR code. So here we have a QR code, and here we have MIT companion app, and I can just scan the QR code. The moment the QR code has been scanned, you can see my phone has something that says the Chrome. So I would click on a Chrome, and that would probably start downloading the Bluetooth app. So it asked me, this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep bluetooth.apk anyway? I would click on OK. Yes, I know. It's fine. And now here you see it says bluetooth.apk, and I will click on open here. Open. And here I have the install button on my app. And this will take maybe a couple of seconds to install the app. So you see now the app is installed, and I can click on open here, and I have this mobile app, right? Bluetooth app that we have designed. So now we can able to use this app. Now once we install the app, we should have to find the app in our mobile, and you can see here on the top right corner we have a Bluetooth. So I can click on this Bluetooth, and that would show me this app. But before I'm going to use this app, I have to pair my Bluetooth device, and for this I have to go to my phone again, the main menu bar, and then I have to make sure my Bluetooth is turned on. So I will turn on the Bluetooth first, and now the Bluetooth is turned on my phone. So I would then go back to the settings, okay, and then I would click on the Bluetooth here, and here I can see a lot of Bluetooth devices will be listed, right? And then I then have to pair my Bluetooth device, which is an HC05, which is connected to Arduino Uno. So you will see in a while it will show us into the list. You can see HC05 is shown up into available devices. So I will click on HC05 here to start pairing this HC05 with my mobile phone, and it asked me to insert some kind of pin or password, and I would type 1234, okay, or you can type 00004 times 0 and then hit OK. So it's a default password, by the way, 1234, and you see now HC05 is shown into the paired devices list, right? Now I can go back to my app, Bluetooth app, okay, and I would click on this LED Bluetooth button, and it would show me the list of Bluetooth devices around me, and you can see I have this HC05 up here. So I will select HC05, and you see now the name is changed to connected, and now I can press this on button and LED turns on. When I press off button, LED turns off. So here we have the mobile app ready, so I can take in my setup. Okay, and you can see I have a Bluetooth module and LED connected, and when I press the on button, LED turns on. When I press off button, LED turn off. On, off, on, off. So that's how we're gonna use this HC05 Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno, and we can control this LED.